Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings, click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show up and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case Nokia. After that, select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them though, you can always do that by tapping on this icon next to the device and choosing one pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!